This is my current travel photography outfit. It's a Nikon D5600 with the 18 to 140 zoom lens and a somewhat older 12 to 24 f4 wide-angle zoom, which has been on a number of cameras over the last few years. The camera and the two lenses are transported in the thinkTANK Hubba Hubba Hiney version 3, I think it is. Yes, version 3 that we have here. It's a small bag, that small high quality bag, thinkTANK. I've been using thinkTANK for quite a few years. This is equipment goes in here easily, and the other lens needs to have its hood taken off, and then it goes in here, very easy. Hood goes in here, and then there's still plenty of room for extra batteries and whatever else needs to be transported. The bag actually functions as a shoulder bag and as a waist bag with a belt, either a special belt from thinkTANK, or any belt actually can go through here. There is room for passports or small accessories and such too, so actually a very, very handy bag. And it happens to also fit into my bicycle panniers and into a small bicycle backpack, no problem at all. So I actually have three different bags right now that can carry this complete set on my bicycle or on my back. Let's see, what else do I need to explain here? It's a fairly short video so far. We are at the moment in Siem Reap, Cambodia, at the Samso Boutique Hotel. Right, nice swimming pool and nice surroundings around here, close to Wat Bo Temple in Siem Reap, Cambodia. And right, and I'm up on the third floor above the pool here. Rooms at this particular hotel go from somewhere from currently from $20 to $35. There are 3 different sizes of rooms here. Very convenient, very good service, very nice place to stay. All right. Okay, so we're basically coming on to 4.5 minutes here. And that is probably enough of this presentation, which is being recorded on a iPhone 6s Plus at 4K 30 frames. Okay, so we will stop it here. There we go. Might as well run it out at 5 minutes. This camera is about a year old, and it's actually the 3rd or 4th different version of the 5000 series that I've had. I've owned a lot of Nikons over the years, so And I assume probably within less than a year I'll be changing to one of the Z cameras. But this is a good traveling size, and it's right, comparable in size to the full frame Z cameras. This one is a DX. Okay, so over and out. Hope you enjoyed this. Please subscribe and like. Thank you.